Hello and welcome to my channel, where I explore the latest trends and innovations in the housing market. In today's video, we feature steel frame home kits sold by Home Depot for less than $50K. Before we show you these kits, let's delve into what a steel frame home kit actually is and how it differs from a traditional house build. A steel frame home kit is a construction package that uses steel as the main structural component for framing, as opposed to the traditional method that relies on wood. These kits provide pre-cut and pre-drilled steel components, making the assembly process more efficient and faster compared to on-site cutting for wood framing. Steel frame homes offer strength, durability, and resistance to common issues like pests and rot, leading to a longer lifespan. They're also considered more eco-friendly, as steel is recyclable. While the cost of a steel frame home kit can be competitive or slightly higher than traditional construction, it often leads to reduced construction time and labor costs. Ultimately, the choice between the two methods depends on individual preferences, budget considerations, and specific project requirements. These are some of the modern home kits sold in Home Depot. The Getaway Pad. Plus One Home Kits presents the Getaway Pad, priced at $44,000, featuring a floor area of 620 square feet with 1 bedroom and 1.5 bathrooms. The ground level comprises 540 square feet, while an 81 square foot half bathroom is upstairs, and a 453 square foot rooftop deck adds to the charm. The listing includes the steel stud frame only, and no additional materials are provided. The purchase covers preliminary plans, assembly hardware, assembly instructions, panelized steel framing, and stamped structural engineering calculation plans. Plus One home kits are made to order, and there are no returns once the order is received. A representative will contact you post-purchase for discussions, and a rough dry-in takeoff list is available for cost breakdown, excluding customized materials like cabinets and countertops. The panelized frame offers an alternative to traditional lumber framing, involving assembling framing components in the factory for efficient on-site construction. Plus One home kits are designed to be constructed on a concrete slab foundation, with city approval ensured through architect and engineer approval. The steel frame kits are engineered to withstand harsh climates and can be used as a single-family residence, SFR, or an accessory dwelling unit, or ADU. Download preliminary plans for city review and contact Plus One for corrections or additional services like architectural detailing or foundation engineering. Eco-benefits include resistance to termites, mold, rodents, bugs, and fire, ensuring a durable and reliable home. However, MEPS plans and permits required for the frame are not included in the purchase. Getaway Small Home Space. The Getaway Mini ADU Steel Frame Kit by Plus One Home Kits is designed to offer extra personal space outside your home. Priced at $33,000 with a floor area of 325 square feet, this kit is architecturally designed for easy assembly on your concrete slab. It includes the steel structure and essential components, with finishings available at the Home Depot for doors, windows, electrical, plumbing, and more. The panelized frame, an alternative to traditional lumber framing, comes with pre-punched access holes for efficient installation, reducing on-site assembly by at least 50%. The steel kit boasts a 50-year warranty, is environmentally friendly, and resistant to termites, mold, fire, and more. It is engineered to meet building codes, withstand harsh climates, and allows personalization for a unique ADU design. The Getaway Mini ADU kit emphasizes sustainability, featuring recyclable materials and high-quality G60 or G90 galvanized USA steel. It offers customization options, including modification assistance for a new look or additional features without extra costs within the structure's size. The kit comes with delivery, preliminary architectural plans, stamped engineering plans, and pre-assembled numbered panels. While MEPS plans and full architecture plans are not included, additional services are available for assistance through permits and building projects. With a contemporary style blending practicality and aesthetics, Plus One home kits provide a confident and affordable solution for building your tiny home with their steel framing kit. The Rose Cottage. Plus One home kits introduces the Rose Cottage steel frame kit. an architecturally designed solution for extra space outside your home. Starting at $32,000, this kit offers a floor area of 444 square feet, including 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Designed for easy assembly on your concrete slab, the Rose Cottage kit includes only the steel structure and essential components. The Home Depot provides finishings like doors, windows, electrical, plumbing, allowing customization of the 444.3 square feet open inside area to suit your needs. The model is constructed on a concrete slab, with deck and flooring upgrades available. Download preliminary plans from the Home Depot's additional resources, get local authority approval, and customize requirements before purchase. Plus One home kits support modifications within the structure's size without additional costs, offering a sustainable and durable steel frame with a 50-year warranty. With pre-assembled steel panels, cost and time efficiency are ensured, complying with building codes and zone requirements for various climates. The kit includes a materials list for customization, providing personalized options for your ADU, but note that MEPS plans and permits are not included in the purchase. Your purchase of this home kit includes delivery, preliminary architectural plans, framing calculations certified by a professional engineer, stamped engineering plans, pre-assembled numbered panels, brackets and fittings, and assembling instructions. Personalize your ADU to match your style, budget, and spatial needs, but keep in mind that returns are not accepted. MEPS plans and permits for your ADU are not included in the purchase, and assistance is available for customization, material selection, and construction quality. Bungalow Plus. Plus One introduces the Bungalow Plus steel frame home kit at a price of $43,000. It's a tiny home design featuring 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with floor area of 837 square feet. Designed for easy assembly on a concrete slab, this kit includes only the steel structure and necessary components. The Home Depot offers finishings such as doors, windows, electrical, plumbing, and more. The Bungalow Plus home kit allows for personalization, with allowances in the steel frame structure designed for various elements, providing a total open inside area of 837 square feet. The panelized frame, an alternative to traditional lumber framing, reduces on-site assembly by at least 50% and comes with a 50-year warranty on the frame kit. The kit is environmentally friendly and sustainable, resistant to termites, mold, rodents, bugs, and fire, while being recyclable. Manufactured using pure G90 galvanized USA steel, it is corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability. The Bungalow Plus home kit is engineered to meet building codes and zone requirements, including resistance to harsh climates like cyclones and hurricanes. Personalization is encouraged, allowing you to design and finish your ADU uniquely. The purchase includes delivery, preliminary architectural plans, framing calculations, stamped engineering plans, pre-assembled numbered panels, brackets and fittings, and assembling instructions. MEPS plans and permits are not included, and the kit is non-returnable. Wave Luxury Space. Plus One home kit introduces the Wave Luxury Space, priced at $24,000, offering a 1-bedroom steel frame home kit with 305 square feet. It serves as a versatile space for an ADU, tiny cabin, or storage. The DIY system framing kit is designed for easy assembly on your own concrete slab, and if you need assistance, construction services are available. The kit includes the steel structure and necessary components, while finishings like doors, windows, electrical, plumbing, and more can be found at the Home Depot. The timeless and sophisticated design allows for personalization, with allowances in the steel frame structure for a total open inside area of 305 square feet. The kit is environmentally friendly and sustainable, resistant to pests and fire. Manufactured with G90 galvanized USA steel, it comes with a 50-year warranty, ensuring durability. With pre-assembled steel panels, the construction is cost and time efficient. Plus One home kits comply with building codes and zoning requirements, providing personalization options and a takeoff list for materials. Included in the purchase are delivery, preliminary architectural plans, framing calculations, and stamped engineering plans, pre-assembled and numbered panels, brackets and fittings, and assembling instructions. MEPS plans and permits are not included. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of these steel frame home kits and if you would buy one or not. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!